Do machines fascinate you? Do you want to learn about machinery and how to manufacture and maintain it at all levels? If your answer is yes to both the questions, you can continue your education with a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering degree. At CGC Landran, we have cutting-edge infrastructure and provide our students with a curriculum that complies with international educational standards. We provide a perfect mix of both theoretical and practical knowledge to our students, helping them learn more about the designing of machines with high precision and making them ready for successful careers in private as well as the government sectors. Our institution provides hands-on experience and helps students contribute to manufacturing, energy generation, transportation, waste management, health and the environment sectors while keeping them up to date on the newest technological advancements. The success ratio has been elevated to a new level thanks to academic excellence and a highly professional faculty drawn from the best of institutes across the country. With unlimited opportunities in various industries, mechanical engineers are in great demand. And every year, leading companies such as Mahindra, JSW, MRF, Hyundai, Samsung, Godrej and others recruit from our campus. Join CGC Landran and begin your journey of learning and skill building with us to accelerate your career with B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering.